Hi guys, today's video was inspired by all of you, and not because you're lazy, but because I know how valuable your time is, so I really hope these hairstyles help to simplify your daily routine. Okay, so you want to save time in the morning, but still look good, and you didn't have time to wash your hair, so my secret to freshen up my hair, I'm sure it's no surprise, is dry shampoo. My go-to dry shampoo is the Klorane one with oat milk, and I'm thrilled because they just launched it in a more eco-responsible, non-aerosol bottle, which is awesome because I can pack this in my carry-on when I go on vacation this weekend. And fun fact that I didn't know is Klorane was actually the creator of dry shampoo, and they are the only dry shampoo that is plant-based. It's pretty cool. And they're already ahead of the beauty trends, you guys. They are the botanical dry shampoo expert, which is great because they use safe and effective plant-based products while respecting and preserving nature, which I think is great. I highly recommend checking them out. They also have a complete range of dry shampoo for every hair type. They just recently launched the Klorane Dry Shampoo with Nettle, which I love, but they have it in a natural shade for all of you darker hair girls. I'm dying to put dry shampoo in my hair. It's looking so flat. So I'm gonna use the new non-aerosol one, and you just want to shake it up before you use it. And then I just roughly section off my hair around the crown of my head, and you just gently squeeze the bottle to release the product. And you want to hold the bottle vertically and about 10 inches away from your head. And then you just want to let it sit for about 2 minutes and just let that oat and plant extract hydrate and soften your hair. I personally like to remove the excess powder by roughly running my fingers through my roots. I think it just adds so much volume, but you could also brush out the excess powder or use your blow dryer on a cool setting. Feeling way more refreshed, so if you want to get your hands on some of this Klorane Dry Shampoo, which is also sulfate, paraben, and sodium chloride free, it's available at drugstores across Canada. So now that our hair is prepped and refreshed and it has a little bit of texture in it thanks to the dry shampoo, we can go ahead and get started. This first hairstyle is a casual spin on a classic updo, and it's my favorite. Gather your hair into a tight ponytail, but on the last loop, don't pull your hair all the way through so that you create a little bun. Now, to give it a more effortless appearance, loosen up the bun by pulling on the sides, and then just pull on small sections of hair around the crown of your head. This will also help to create more volume. Hook a finger underneath your bun through the elastic, and then take your ends and just wrap them around your ponytail and tuck your ends through the elastic so they're held in place. I actually really liked the appearance of the ends sticking out, but what you can do is take them and then take a bobby pin and just pin them out of the way. And that's it, a super quick bun that you can do while you're running out the door. Next is an easy half-up hairstyle with only 3 steps. First, grab all of the hair at the sides of your head and then tightly secure them together with a hair elastic. Second, hold onto your hair elastic with one hand and then bring your ends up, interlocking them in your fingers, and then pulling your ends down and through where the 2 sides are connected. And then continue looping your hair as many times as you like. I did it twice, and then just take some bobby pins and secure the loop to your head. And there you have it, a quick half-up hairstyle that looks great but doesn't take forever to do. Next is a simple way to create the perfect bun in a hurry. Create a ponytail where you want your bun to sit. And then begin twisting your ponytail counterclockwise. And as you're twisting it, begin wrapping it around the base of your ponytail counterclockwise until you've reached your ends. The best part, take a comb or a pencil and insert it through the top of your bun. I mean, you could leave it like this, or you could take a couple bobby pins and quickly secure the bun to your head. And once it's secure, just remove your comb and you're good to go. And that's how you can easily create a chic bun on the go. Okay, this one may also be my favorite. It's just a simple half-up hairstyle, and it's a perfect way to get your hair up out of your face. Gather all of the hair that's above your temples and then divide it down the middle into 2 equal sections. Once you have your 2 sections, tie them around one another by crossing your right section over your left section and then bringing that left section up and through. So it's basically the same step as the first step of tying your shoe. And then just pull your 2 sections tightly, and then you just want to secure them together with a small hair elastic. Then to really transform this hairstyle, just pull on the sides of the knot to help it appear larger and help it stand out. And there you have it, an easy half up, half down knotted hairstyle that's a quick way to get your hair up out of your face. I love this one. It's so pretty. I'd love to know which hairstyle was your favorite. And if you didn't see my previous video that I did with Klorane, I created a big voluminous ponytail using their dry shampoo with oat milk. I will link that down below. But I hope you found today's video helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But I need to go pack, get ready for my vacation, and I will talk to you guys when I come back. Bye.